guys, thank you for watching Cryptologic Miner. So today I'm making a quick video on a 3070 rig, sort of a hybrid rig, because I'm going to be using a Thermaltake PC stand instead of using a traditional mining rig frame. It's kind of a neat looking frame. It's open style, enclosed, so not enclosed. It has some good airflow to it. Just something a little bit different, but planning to put 2 to 3 GPUs on it. I have 2 of the new 3070 by Asus, the TUF models, and also going to add one of my old 2070s to it. So that's sort of the game plan here, and so here it is. Hey guys, so yeah, this was a fun quick build. Wasn't sure exactly how it was going to turn out. Like I said, it's kind of a hybrid looking rig. I added the one of these LCD mini monitors here just to watch Hive run and make sure everything's running smooth. Kind of nice if you don't have a big monitor, or you don't want to hook up a giant monitor to it, just to make sure everything's running smooth. Yeah, it's a great little rig. Put a 750 Corsair power supply on it, and only running the three GPUs. like I said last time, I have the old version of the, well, it's the NVIDIA 2070, and then I have the newer versions, which is the 3070 by Asus TUF. So got some pretty decent hash rate here with overclocking. The 3070s are putting about 60 mega hash, and the 2070 is putting 40 to 43 I've been getting on the mega hash with the overclock settings, which isn't too bad. So about all together with the 3 cards, so it looks like around 168 mega hash I'm averaging so far without any recrashes or anything like that. You know, using Hive OS, mining Ethereum. I do have it linked up with Mining Ring Rentals as well right now, but it is still linked to mine Ethereum. So so far so good. So on the 3070, one of them, the Asus one, I have 60.37 mega hash at running at 40 watts, and with the silicon lottery, of course, my other 3070 is at 5920. So not too bad. And then, like I said, the 2070, the older version of the card, is at 40.77 mega hash at 129 watts. Some of the overclock settings I have running on the on one of the 3070s, I have fan at 70, the core at negative 100, M set to 2200, power limit 140, and then the other card 3070, also 140 watts, 70 fan. I ran 0 on the core for that card. For some reason it kept crashing when I had it set to negative 100. And I had to lower the memory to 1900, but left the power at 140. And then on the 2070, same fan speed, just 100 on the core, 1200 memory, and 130 on the power limit. So it's been running for at least 24 hours now, and no crashes. Everything's been running stable. The total rig wattage at 409 watts. Anyways, thanks guys for tuning in. So we're going to do another crypto giveaway for this month of March. In order to enter, you guys have to like and subscribe to the channel. You must subscribe in order to be eligible, and you have to comment with your address, Ethereum address, to this video. We'll be looking to do the announcement of the winner towards the end of the month. But like I said, please like, subscribe, and comment on this video with your Ethereum address. Also, if you guys have any questions on the rig or any other crypto related questions, please comment as well, and I will try to answer and give any feedback that I can. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for the next video and the giveaway at the end of the month. Thanks again.